In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a PDF file to home screen on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to find the My Files application. In my case, it looks like this and it's right on my home screen. So I'm going to tap on that. And from here, what I want you to do is to find the PDF file that you want to add to your home screen. As you can see, mine is right here. So what I need to do is basically tap and hold on top of it. And then once you do that, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the three dots. Tap on those. And then if you take a look right at the bottom of all these settings, you'll see Add to Home Screen. Tap on that. And this is basically going to show you what it's going to look like once it's added. So I'm going to click on add, and as you can see, it's been added. So if you just head back, if you take a look, here is the PDF file added to my home screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.